reason. Very stupid parking.
Mm-hmm.
Ate my seeds again.
Where are you taking it?
I'm taking it away. There are mistakes.
How did you get in here?
I'm a partner now. I'm bored, too.
Okay.
The Parrot works in the investigation department and seems to be a bit of a distraction for the officers from doing their jobs.
Get off. This is important equipment.
Attention, important information. I want cookies.
You gotta be kidding me. Look, these reports need to print, all right? Off.
Are you lost?
I work here. I'm maintaining order.
Okay, wow. All right then. Carry on, I guess.
10-4. 10-4. I'm in charge now. 10-4.
It seems someone was quitted, and it seems someone is getting less food at home today.
Do you know why we pulled you over?
Because he drives stupidly.
Have you been drinking alcohol tonight, sir?
Beer! Beer! Beer!
Oh, come on, dude. Dan, it's not what you think, officer. He just says that all the time. I haven't had anything, I swear.
Hello?
Here.
Very good. Cut. All good.